Hello, Namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel, and today I'm going to do a card reading for this whole week, which is going from Monday till Sunday. And the card deck which I'm going to use is the Native Spirit card deck, and the another card deck which I'm going to use is the Super Extractor. So I had to put my intention, did my prayers, and so I'll start shuffling the card, and let's see how many cards angel are guiding and what are those cards. This deck is also very powerful, so I'm really excited. Let's see how many cards angel is guiding me to pick. Okay, wow, I already got 2 cards. Interesting. So let's see. I will shuffle one more time. I don't know, for some reason, like 2 cards are together popping out. So okay, I think they're asking me to shuffle one more time and pick. So I already got 6 cards. Wow. So let's see how many more cards. It's 1 or 2, since 2 cards are coming. Okay, this is the 1 card. So I got cards from this deck, and I'll shuffle the another card, and let's see how many cards I am going to count from this deck. And these are the positive affirmations, and if you have noticed, I have noticed that there are some cards which are coming every week. That means there are people who still need to work on that affirmation for themselves. You can practice these affirmations throughout the day as many times as you can, and throughout the week. Second card. So I'm going to shuffle one more time and let's see how many cards again I will be getting from this deck. And again they are asking me to shuffle one more time, so I always follow the guidance, and I'm going to shuffle one more time and let's see. Okay, and one more. So I got cards from both the deck, and I'll start my reading. The first card is Great Mystery. Wow, let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: have faith and know that you are divinely guided, even when you have doubts. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be. Believe you have planted your seeds. Now allow the Creator to do the rest. Even if you can't see into the future, have faith that the path will be illuminated and go forward. If you have any recurring challenges, turn them over to the Creator. Not my will, but they will be done. Your native spirit wants you to know. Many native cultures refer to Creator as the Great Mystery. It's the idea that Great Spirit is so vast and profound that in many ways it's unknowable. Faith is the foundation of the ability to manifest. Everything was created because someone believed that it was possible, and patience is absolutely crucial in the application of this principle. Trust. Change can happen in a heartbeat, but some things require time. You have planted the seeds. Now give them time to grow. Please be patient and know that it will happen. Whatever receives your care and attention will flourish. The journey. If you just planted some seeds in your garden today, you wouldn't go out tomorrow and yell them because there wasn't any fruit yet. So don't dig up your seed of faith. Remember this mantra. It's happening. Repeat this phrase periodically, especially if you have doubts, and keep going. Another card. Prayer Feather. Wow. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: love is flowing to you and through you, no matter what an individual is saying or doing. Love him or her anyway. Gather your inner forces silently and secretly. Love deeply and fully, with every ounce of your being, even if someone isn't fulfilling your expectations. It's easy to love people when they are acting wonderfully. The true challenge is to love them when they aren't. Your native spirits want you to know. Feathers in native cultures often represent a connection with the Creator. Birds often symbolize messengers between the two legends, the human and the spirit. This is your time to love and be loved. The love that you send out into the world comes back to you 100-fold. These are times when the small concerns of everyday life need to drop away and be replaced by the majesty of your being. This is that time. Precious feathers and decorated feathers that comes be used for many purposes. In some traditions, prayers are placed into the feathers. You can hold it to your heart or between your hands as you focus on your prayer, and then try into a bush. So when the wind blows, it carries the prayers to the Creator. Another kind of prayer feather is a decorated feather or a decorated bundle of feathers that are used for smudging ceremonies. The smoke is to cleanse the space as well as carry out your prayers upward the journey. For a day, love each person you encounter. Imagine a gold ray of light from the Creator on your heart, radiating to the center of the heart of that individual. Notice how great you feel by the end of the day. Another card. Eagle medicine. Wow, let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is profound connection to the Creator and the heavenly realms. As the eagle soars high above the earth, it has the ability to see things from a higher perspective. Courage and stamina are filling your life. You have the ferocity to right injustice and wrongs done to you or to others. This is the time to face fear and overcome it. Your native spirits wants you to know, if the eagle medicine card has chosen you, you are the advent of the opportunity to truly to see life from a different vantage points. Eagles are considered one of the most scared of all birds in many tribes and culture. Their single-minded, fearless, dynamic energy and ability to soar high are part of the reason for this. This card reminds you to take heart and face fear. You do indeed have the strength to overcome any adversity. You also have a direct line to the Creator. Your prayers are heard and will be answered in accordance with your highest good. You have the capacity to channel extraordinary life force energy through your hands. The journey. Go on an inner journey and imagine that you are an eagle. Feel the power of your wings, the clarity of your eyes, sights, and the power of your talons. As you do this, be aware of the energy of the majestic eagle filling you. Another card. Scared mountain. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is be still and take the time to move into the silent place within yourself. Look at your inner source of power. Meditate. Wait. Do not move forward until it feels right. Surrender to stillness. Do not take action. If you observe rather than react, you claim your power. Your native spirits wants you to know, from the vantage point of the scar mountain, your power grows. In silence, you will find your scar witness. It is the dwelling place of your soul. In peace, seek and discover your truth. Move past the bustle and the clatter of the life into sweet quietude. If you are in pain, don't lash out. Go into it until you find the soul so that it can be healed. Resist the temptation to indulge in feelings of stress, urgency, and emergency. Your power is born in silence. This peace gives birth to your serenity. Seek solitude to listen to the voice of your higher self and awaken your inner wisdom. The journey. Travel to the peaks of hollowed mountains, and if you can't do this in person, travel in your meditation. Imagine yourself atop a high peak. You can see the world in all directions. Give thanks and offering to mountains whenever you encounter them. The spirit of the mountain will deeply appreciate your gift. Another card. Flowing river. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is everything is falling into place because you aren't resisting the drift of the great river of life. It's time to let go. You are entering a period of precious ease and flow. All is unfolding perfectly and with good timing. When you are in a state of flow, you aren't pushing the river to go faster and you aren't swimming against it. Let go of the soul and enjoy the ride. Your native spirit wants you to know. Rivers have personalities and carry energy, just as animals and plants do. From the Mayas to the Australian Aborigines and to others native cultures throughout the world, it's believed that it's important to listen to the language of river. If you aren't feeling the smooth currents of life, it might mean that you are trying to control situations or that you are being self-critical or judgmental. The way to move into flow is through gratitude and appreciation, and by allowing others to support and help you. Here, the Native American says, it's best to ride the horse the direction that it's going. This means that when the card flowing river chooses you, you are being told to let go and go with the flow. If there is something or someone you need to forgive, this is the time. This is also the time to forgive yourself and just let go. The journey. As you shower and the water flows over your body, imagine that everything is flowing in your life. Spend time next to a river or a stream and watch the flowing waters. Use it as metaphor to let go and enter the flow. Another card. Gathering a tribe. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: you are loved and you are lovable. You deserve love. Support in all forms is flowing to you. You can relax. There is so much love around you. Communicate from your heart. Share your truth. You are safe. Dismiss your time with those who do not empower you or believe in you. Your native spirit wants you to know. If the gathering your tribe card chooses you, this means that sustenance in all form is flowing into your life. Your people are those who resonate with you. Your people can include animals, plants, minerals, and trees, as well as people. Be willing to ask for what you want in life. This is the time to put your needs before the needs of others. Your tribe is waiting to support and nurture you. As you nurture yourself, sometimes your friends are more your family than blood relatives. Find your people and cherish them. Your vibes attract your tribe. The journey. Spend time with friends and family members who see the best in you. Don't spend time with dream stompers. Take classes, share meals, take time to find your people. You will live longer and be happier. Last but not the least, ancient forest. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: your roots go deep. Incredible, radiant, healing strength is available to you and grows within you. Do not doubt your abilities. You are so much more than you can possibly imagine. There is unseen but very real support around you. You are loved and cherished. You are grounded, stable, and strong as your spirit reaches high into the heavens. Your native spirits want you to know throughout the world, those in indigenous culture, river, what are called the tree people. The powerful life forces of trees can bring healing, strengthening, and grounding energies. The kind of tree might vary from culture to culture, but the reverence and gratitude for its beneficial energies are the same. The ancient forest is alive with nature spirits. Additionally, each tree has an individual spirit, especially powerful and resilient. The forest can survive the hardest conditions because of the mutual support of the spirit of the entire forest. Your greatest strength is silent and deep. It doesn't need to show a force, it just is. Inner power is found through contemplation, reflection, and meditation. Sometimes it comes from times of growth and change. Other times it springs from surviving and conquering painful situations. The journey. Adopt a tree. It can be one in your yard or in a nearby park or wilderness area. Talk to the tree, touch its spine, give thanks, and by doing so, you create an energy connection that will continue to nurture you, no matter how far away you are from your adopted tree. So this was according to the first tag. Now I am going to start reading card from the another tag, and the first one is: when I connect to the spiritual realm, I open the door to receive divine guidance, clear direction, and great wisdom. My ability to receive is measured by how much I practice good feeling thoughts. Spiritual alignment puts my manifestation into motion. The universe is always conspiring to support me, guide me, and lead me compassionately towards the highest good. As soon as I choose to see the light in the dark corners, I redirect my power towards what I want. When I am tuned in to the energy of abundance, I become abundant. True manifestations are powered by service and love. So this was the card reading for this whole week. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I want to say thanks to all my subscribers for subscribing my channel. Thank you so much, guys. I want to say thanks to all the people who are helping me to make this video and people who are inspiring to make this video. Thank you, all of you, for all my services, including angel card reading and angel reading. You guys can reach out me through my email ID. People who are already associated with me through social media, of course, you guys can contact me through WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, Skype, and definitely I would love to help you guys and work with you guys. So till I see you next time, I, Sangeeta Patel, take care, live with lots of love, light and angel blessings. Namaste.